Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this headband wig. So this headband wig is from Youth Beauty. The packaging is so cute. So if you want to know the details of this wig and how I installed it and everything like that, then keep on watching. So this hair is from Youth Beauty. This is the packaging, and it is like a little garment bag that the hair came in. Super cute, and I like the color of it and how it has the gold trimming and stuff. And it actually has this hanger on the inside that you can actually clip your wig to. Let me just take it out real quick to show you. So it comes with this little satin hanger, and you have these two pieces, so you could actually clip your wig to this and then put it inside of the bag. How cute is that? A cute way to store your wig. And let me just show you the back of the bag. So it says Youth Beauty Hair Collection, and it has their website at the bottom as well. So super cute, and this is good for travel as well. Like you can put your wig in there and pack it up in your bag. So also on the inside I got some wig caps, and then I did get 3 headbands, the one that I'm wearing, and then I also got these two. And yeah, that was pretty much it. And the hair came inside of this bag, and this has the specs of the hair on it. So this is a headband wig, and it's 24 inches in the natural color, and the curl pattern is a loose wave. I did a loose wave headband wig, but if you will see that video as well, the curl pattern is totally different. So for each company, a loose wave can vary, you know, what they call a loose wave or curly or whatever, because this one is definitely more curly than the other one that I did, but it's still a loose wave. Like, I don't know, I like this curl pattern a lot though. It's real cute. So yeah, that is the specs on this hair. So yeah. Okay guys, so I already have my hair prepped for my headband wig. So to do my baby hairs, I did use this Kiss Edge Fixer edge control, and this is the one that Saweetie done with them, and this is the watermelon scent. Works really good. Y'all know I really like this from when I showed y'all in the other video. If you want to see how I did my baby hairs, I will link down below another headband wig video where you can see me actually do the baby hairs, but I didn't feel like it was necessary to redo it every time, you know. So I also just have my hair slicked back with my wig cap on. My hair is in 2 plaits underneath here, like it's just split down the middle with 2 pigtails, which is how I like to wear my hair underneath my wigs, because it's a lot flatter in the back versus just doing one ponytail. But since I had already had my hair like this for a bit, I was able to pull my hair back in the center so it doesn't have that part in it. So yeah, that's how I prep my hair, and I did my sideburns and my baby hairs and everything like that. So really easy, really simple. I didn't have to go back and shampoo my hair or anything like that. I went from the wig that I had on to just cleaning off the perimeter of my hair and everything to now doing my baby hairs for this wig. So I want to show you how this wig is constructed. I'm just putting the little clips on. The way that the headband wig is constructed is you have this headband piece that goes around your head, and then it has Velcro in the back that you can adjust however tight you want it to be. And then you also have some combs in here for added security. So you have 1 comb on each side, a comb in the center, and you also have a comb at the back. And the wig also is adjustable as well, like most wigs are. So you can also adjust these straps as well to make the wig snug for your head. So we're going to go ahead and pop her on and see what she is giving. Okay, I can already tell I'm really going to like the curl pattern on this wig. So I'm going to take the Velcro pieces and just wrap these around to the back and Velcro them together as tight as I want it to be. So you have your wig on already, and with this curl pattern, I didn't comb it out and wet it down. This is how it already looked. The ends felt a little bit dry, so I did put some water on the ends and a little bit of conditioner. But this part is how the hair came fresh out of the box. So it's a really nice curl pattern, and it feels like if I run my fingers through or whatever, it will get more fluffy. So I don't want to do that too much because I do like to keep the definition of curls and stuff like that. So with this hair, I did get 3 different headbands. So I have this navy blue one that is like a velvety type material, and then I also got this leopard print one that is really cute as well, and it looks like this. And then I also got this one that is more of like a tropical print. So for today, this one would match the best because you can do leopard print with really anything, but it's like kind of pops off of this. And this is the one that matches the best out of all of them that came inside of the box. So we're just going to put this one on and see what she's giving. I'll just pull it down and do it this way. Okay, boom. That was fairly easy. Okay, and then you can push the wig back some if you want to have more of your hair out in the front or whatever. Really easy and simple, just like that. So boom, you already ready to go. Like, then you can just kind of play around with it and fluff it out a bit, and you good to go. Like, period. I kind of want to see what it looks like a little bit more combed out, but I don't want it to get too big on me or like too frizzy looking. But yeah, it's real pretty. Okay, dolls, so I forgot to film an outro for this video, but this is the completed look of the hair. The curls are really, really pretty. I love the wave pattern of this hair and how it turned out. So definitely check out Youth Beauty. I will have their info listed down below for you dolls, and thank you for watching.